Good afternoon. It is Thursday, December 4th. This is your weather planning briefing from the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana. A couple key points here, and really the main takeaway is that we're not going to stop this precipitation pattern anytime soon. The next 7 or more days looking pretty active here in the Northern Rockies. We've got widespread light snow out there, and that's going to last through the night tonight. We could see some localized minor to moderate impacts due to snow accumulation. So places like Whitebird Hill, the Mission Valley, Missoula Valley, Northern Bitterroot Valley, and the I-90 corridor are really the target areas for these impacts later tonight. We've got a significant surge of moisture on the way for your Friday afternoon and into that overnight period through Saturday morning. We may see some convection or banding on the backside all the way through Saturday evening. That could bring those snow levels back down to valley floors, and we could see some slick valley travel as a result, maybe even some black ice during the overnight periods. And another surge of moisture comes in, one of many, by Sunday. We've got some watches, warnings, and advisories out there. In fact, we just upgraded a lot of these watches to winter storm warnings. So go ahead and head to our website. This is the point and click map. You just point and click on your location. That'll bring up a forecast as well as any headlines or advisories, watches, and warnings that we've got for your region. Timeline through the next week looking rather cloudy. If sunshine was your hope, well, you're out of luck. Regional temperature forecast shows a gradual warming trend, especially as we get past this weekend, starting Sunday and into early to middle part of next week. We'll stay right around freezing until then. And the regional snow level forecast, climbing snow levels once we get past Sunday. But until then, really wanted to highlight this period here that shows snow levels rather high, but in fact, with that convection or snow banding, we could see those snow levels get driven down towards the valley floor. So just keep that in mind. These numbers are running a little bit warm here through the Friday and Saturday timeframe. And again, highlighting that Friday, Saturday timeframe for snow accumulation because we've got a lot of zeros on this chart, but really places like Missoula, we could see a little bit of some accumulating snowfall. But otherwise, look at these mountain locations picking up 1 to 3 feet of snow here over the next 6 to 7 days. As far as precipitation is concerned, we've got one bulk of moisture coming in Friday, another one coming in Sunday, and then the much more substantial one here coming in Monday afternoon through Tuesday and even into Wednesday. Uh, really, snow levels down to valley floors through about tomorrow morning. Then we'll start to mix with rain at times through Friday and Saturday, and then most valley locations will become all rain as we head towards Sunday and Monday of next week. As far as winds are concerned, we'll see some breezy westerly, southwesterly winds kicking up Friday afternoon through the day on Saturday. Those could be strengthened even more so by that. The convection or some of those snow bands. So just keep that in mind. 25 to 35 mile an hour gusts, definitely not out of the question. We start to see a ramping up of wind speeds by Monday into Tuesday with that next storm system coming in. And the passes, especially up towards the divide, you're going to stay gusty through the next 5 to 6 days. In the long term, we've got many more atmospheric rivers on the way through the region. So another heavy precipitation event like I was keying in on Tuesday through Thursday of next week. We'll see increasingly warm conditions with rising snow levels through the middle of the next week. And heavy wet snow at elevation could cause some tree damage or power outages. So keep that in mind as well. We could see some heavy rain or even some snow melt below 7,000 feet with that warmer storm by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And that storm definitely starts mild, but it could end very cold. There's about a 50% chance of an Arctic coming in right during the end of that storm cycle that could bring widespread significant snowfall and will likely stay active through the long term. 6 to 10 day outlook features that mild storm coming in here, so above normal chances for precipitation here through the 13th of December, and likely staying above normal as far as temperatures are concerned as well. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you have a great and safe weekend. The next scheduled briefing will be Sunday, December 7th, where we'll have much more information on next week's storm. Have a good night.